And so in this video we are going to discuss about SSL. Now I don't know if you may have you are coming from my blog or something, if you are directly coming here on YouTube to find what exactly SSL are. Now SSL is something that actually makes your website enable in terms of making it more secured and making it more superior when it comes to search engine results. Now if you see that, I will just load this website and while I am loading this website, I will get to see that there is a log patch been enabled, right? So this log patch is nothing but making sure that your site is supremely secured, and moving on, it is slightly safer from threats. You can see connection is secured. Now at the same point of time, I know there are some sites that is out there and that is live as well, but it doesn't have a SSL. And if it doesn't have an SSL, you can easily get to see it comes exactly like this. So it is like connection not secure, and so on and so forth. You can check with different sites that's out there. Now SSL is super important and we just can't ignore this. To know more about SSL, I would really recommend you people going to understand my blog. The description will be in the link. So here I have described about what exactly SSL are, how you can install an SSL, what are the benefits of SSL and whatnot. You are also going to have further videos about SSL in this channel. You can just see here and there in the channel, in the library of videos. There will be other videos which is also talking about how you can install an SSL and make sure that your SSL is properly working. Thank you.